Solving a problem is a talent that all of us have, but having the ability to identify the problem is a rare thing to see in someone. The most dangerous thing for people is that we tend to assume everything. We believe that if something is cool for us, it means other people are going to see it too. People spend their whole lives trying to find their purpose in life, and there are some that never find it. This happens because we need to invest time to reach the honest answer, the problem, and most people don't do it. We are used to getting things solved fast, and that's why we don't get to the bottom of the issue or the problem. Open your mind, don't close yourself to new ideas. It's important to take time and understand why people make decisions. How do they solve their own problems? How do they feel once they've solved them? What's their personal reward when they've solved it? Why do they want to solve that problem? What stops them from solving it? We need to ask different types of questions, even when we feel that some of them are repetitive or the same. Remember that according to the Golden Circle, the first thing that comes out when we ask something is not the real answer. We need to get deeper and deeper to find out the true purpose in every given situation, to fully understand the problem and come out with a great idea. Maslow's pyramid. Most problems come out from one of the needs of what is known as Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and using these for building businesses is a good tool for developing valuable products and services that fulfill their expectations and take their needs in consideration. If a person lacks one of the Maslow needs, it means that there's a problem to solve. But most of them are complex, and we need to pay more attention. For example, the base of the pyramid, most basic need, show that food is one of the most basic needs, but eating healthy is not part of this basic need. Most products and services we offer tend to fulfill the top of the pyramid of needs. If you create a business whose service is on the fourth or fifth level, then you need to consider that your clients must have the first three levels fulfilled and in balance so that they can get the best experience with your own product or service. So, if one of your clients doesn't feel complete on these three first levels, then they may try your product but will end up leaving because they have needs they need to care about and your product is not helping them to keep them satisfied, so just enough so that they keep consuming it. That's why it's so important to build experiences in every business. They complement your product and service, which can help people feel the fulfillment they want in their lives when they decide to consume it. The better you make this, the longer and happier you'll get your client. Most people buy things to fulfill these needs, but we need to identify the whole context of the person to build for them the best possible practice. It takes practice and experience to develop this ability to identify the problem a person is having. In this session, we are sharing with you some of them that you can find in the videos here shared. Take a look at them and take some rest and notes before we get into the final project you are going to build. So, said this, my entrepreneurial friends and future managers, please try to stop, share, and reflect on your problem solving skills. Part of your problem solving skills came from the 5 mindsets of the entrepreneur or manager. We already reviewed it. So please stop. Are you a people or manager of action? Are you a manager of analytics? Are you a manager of collaboration? Are you a worldly manager? Maybe you have a little bit of worldly and a little bit of action. So, stop, reflect, see your videos posted here in your activity, and please make your reflection conclusion paragraph. Did you like the activity? What do you think of it? Do you think this activity helps you to learn something or not? Be creative. Develop your critical thinking. Remember, critical thinking is going to be one of the best and most demanded skills in a future business or managerial world. We are facing many problems as a society. We need to rebalance. We need to stop and think how to be more productive, more creative, how to solve more problems, how to be people of value. Said this was Victor Macron. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I will be very glad to guide you. See you soon, and please have a great week ahead. Goodbye.